Good morning, everybody. This is Phil Fernandez, Entrepreneurial Dad. Hope you guys are having a good day. It's about close to a little after 9:30 my time, and we're just here at the schoolyard right now again. I'm going to be working out with a teammate, my son's teammate, baseball teammate, just to get some practice in him. So we're just walking toward the field right now. Just wanted to just make a quick video. As you know, you can make a video on the go. And I've been doing a lot of videos from my house and stuff, and I did it from inside my car, so I think this would be a good time to do a video like outside while you're walking. Different venue. So 90-day Blitz still going on. Go ahead and opt in to the opt-in page down below. You can see it down there. And again, the 90-day Blitz is for people in the Platinum and Diamond member groups. Okay, so that started back in late May, and it's going to end next month. So, but if you're not, if you can't make it live, I mean, it's live from Sunday through Wednesday. So you can still make the recordings. We got all the recordings in the file section of the Freedom Takers Group 90-day Blitz. So you won't miss anything there. But it's always, like I said, it's always good to go live. So if you've got a question or something, you can get it answered right on the spot. All right. So go ahead and check that out. I did a video last week on Facebook. I guess showing a tour of the results, I believe, of what I had so far. But still going on, and I'm making videos. This is my second video this week. It's been kind of busy. Had a lot of stuff at the house I had to take care of. So, but you still do a video and you still keep going. All right, so go ahead and check that out. I'll probably do a video later on or tomorrow. But I hope you guys have a good day. Go ahead and check my website, Facebook page. Please, if you're real, please request me, but I gotta be careful because there's a lot of accounts that aren't real out there. So go ahead and check that out. Opt into my catcher page down below, catchfreedomviral.com. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.